Hey everyone, it's Megan here with Be Strong, and today we're going to go over the chest fly. So what I have here today are 2 dumbbells. I'm going to lie flat on the bench with my arms above my head. Squeeze your glutes nice and tight, making sure that your lower back is attached to the bench. You're going to keep your elbows at a slight bend also. On your way down, you're going to take an exhale and inhale on the way up, making sure that your shoulders do not overextend. Keep those elbows slightly bent at all times. Exhale and inhale. Again, make sure that your shoulders are back and your elbows are slightly bent during this exercise. On your way up, you're squeezing your chest as tight as you can. And that is a dumbbell chest fly.